So it's told once Narada Muni, he was amazed. He went to Dwarka. And when he went to Dwarka, he said, "Where's my Lord?" And Bhagavan Kahan. He said, "Oh, he's sleeping in his royal palace with Arjuna." So Narada Muni went there to see Lord Dwarkadish in Dwarka. And in his royal chambers, his sleeping chambers, on a beautiful canopy bed, brass bed with a canopy and so many little things hanging down. What do you call those little things hanging down? Pearls, fringe of pearls around the canopies, like a little chata over the bed. Beautiful brass or probably gold bed, inlaid with jewels, nice mattress, and the sheets were whiter than the foam in the milk ocean. The sheets on Krishna's bed were whiter than the foam in the milk ocean. Kshirsagar, described like this. And then he went there and saw a most amazing sight and heard something most amazing. He entered very quietly and respectfully Krishna's royal sleeping chambers. And there, lying on the bed, huge, was a king's bed, king-size bed. Like queen size is king size. But Krishna's lying there like this, one side, head like this. And lying on the other side, opposite side, is Arjuna, like this. Sleeping on the pillow. This is the pillow. Arjuna's feet are lying on Krishna's chest. Krishna's feet are lying on Arjuna's chest, because they're opposite. One head is here and one head is here. Feet like this. Standing by the head of Arjuna is his wife, Draupadi, with Chamar, fanning him. Standing by the head of Dwarkadish is Rukmini, Mahishi, Queen Rukmini, fanning her lord, Dwarkadish. Very beautiful, tender, touching, intimate scene. And Sakya, brotherly love, Sakyaras, Arjuna, and his lord, Krishna. That's why he says on the battlefield Kurukshetra, "Oh, we sat in the same bed together. We shared our meals together." You can see that's told in Vratarup chapter. "Oh, Krishna, I didn't realize who you were." We had, not only they sat on the same bed, this pastime is also there. Now, Narada Muni was most amazed and excited to see such an intimate display of divine love. The mercy, the compassion, the intimacy of Bhagavan, Dwarkadish, for his loving devotees, sharing the same bed. And what to speak of sharing the same bed, but clutching the feet to his chest. Amazing sight, amazing darshan. But more than that, he heard something whispering very softly. He heard hundreds of voices. Narada Muni was hearing hundreds of voices coming from two different sources. From two different sources he was hearing hundreds of voices. And some hundreds of voices were saying, "Arjuna, Arjuna." And hundreds of voices were repeating together in unison, "Krishna, Krishna." Where were those hundreds of voices coming from? He was looking, is this Akash Vani I'm hearing? Akash means sky. Vani means words. Sky song, celestial song. Akash Vani. There's some celestial beings, Kinnaras or Gandharvas, invisible to me, that are singing in the celestial region. Krishna, Arjuna. Narada Muni is looking up. Very faint, whispering sound. Where is it coming from? Krishna, 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 Arjuna, Arjuna, Arjuna. And he said, "Oh, it's coming here from the bed. There's two boxes there, like Prabhupada chanting boxes." No. Just to break the suspense. So it's coming, the sound, the hundreds of voices are coming from the bed. And he moves closer. And it's very faint, very light, very faint, very soft, not loud. And he comes near Krishna, and he hears from Krishna's arms, coming from Krishna's arms and Krishna's chest and Krishna's hands, everywhere, From every pore of Krishna's body, hundreds of voices are in unison, chanting softly, Arjun, Arjun, Arjun. So hundreds of voices, Krishna's entire body is vibrating the glories of Arjun, his Sakha, his Bhakta, Arjun, his lover, devotee, friend. But I hear Krishna, Krishna. And he goes to the other side, walks to the other side of the bed, and he hears from the arms and face and chest and whole form of Arjun, he hears this hundreds of voices in unison, Krishna, 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 Arjun, Krishna. Ananda Kanda Bhagavan Ki Jai. So this is the friendship of Arjun. So this point here is that Krishna is telling, you'll become priya to me by doing sadhana bhakti. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyam te pratijane priyosime. Priyosime, the same phrase is there in Bhagavad Gita, priyosime. So from that, priyosime is about this 4-point program of Krishna consciousness. Think of Krishna, offer your obeisances, become his devotee, worship him. Manmana bhavamad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Yaji means worship. Namaskar means obeisances. From that, in the same Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is called Priyosime. So Krishna is telling, go home and hear about me, chant about me, worship my deity. You'll become Priya, you'll become dear to me like Arjuna, you'll become dear. And they'll say, my name is Priyaji. Your name is Priyatam. Just yesterday we were walking along the banks of the Yamuna, you're holding my hand saying, oh Priyaji, you're my everything. I love you more than any other gopi. Really, really it's true. Although sometimes I go here and there, I don't know what happens to me. They hypnotize me, they give me some jadoo, put something in my food. I don't know what happens. They mislead me, they hypnotize me. I'm a simple boy, and these ladies, some are very clever, The Shaibya Padma, they capture me and they hypnotize me and they take me into some kunja. And I don't know what happens to me. I lose my mind, I forget everything, how to get to your kunja. And so it's their fault, it's not mine. I really, believe me, I'm very honest, I'm true. I love you through and through, more than anyone else can ever do. So please accept me, because I'm the boy who's blue. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.